This is time to get a weekly update and my game plan for next week. What's happening next week and what's possibilities? Where are the opportunities? So welcome back. Let's go over this week market action and what to expect next week. Because a lot of happened and we are approaching some very important levels. Market overview this week. Market begins returning to more normal trading conditions. Volume is slowly normalizing and today we had a job reports. The non-farm payroll came in 50,000 jobs, slightly below than 60,000. But this still is very strong economy, and that's why this was not strong number, but also was not terrible. Jobs are still growing, and that's why market rallied, not sold off. So the key reasons markets like this data is simple. This economy is not collapsing. Rate cuts are still expected by mid-year. Markets are already pricing in the idea that Jerome Powell's and the next Fed chair will likely to more aggressive with rate cuts. That combination, stable growth plus future rate cuts, is bullish for risk assets. Friday market performance. Nasdaq is up little 1% and S&P 500 is about 0.75%. So if you will see a chart here. So guys, if you will hear from the people say people market is crashing, market is going back and you just holding. So I want to show you one thing here. If you look at bigger pictures, look, this is a daily chart, right? From April 2025. Price is in the channel. Did you see any breakdown here? So as long as we in the channel we are unsafe. And what if we move from here to go up here? That's a goal. And if you look at the bigger pictures, I'm going to show you a weekly chart now. Look, guys, no one talking about, I never heard anyone from any analyst talking about this chart. So look in the weekly chart. Let me zoom out. You can go back for up to 2018. Price hit the channel, come back, hit the channel, come back. Now is already break the channel. So the trend is already changed. What are we talking about right now? If the trend is changed, what can be happen? So if you will see here, now right now we are here. And if we get back and retest this support, this major support 670, 680, but or we can go up here. So we can have a pullback. It's very normal. But there's no crashing chances so far. If you look the economy, if you look the rate cuts coming, and I will also share with you my oil thing. That's very in the news right now. The US oil and oil stocks. What stocks we have potential to ride on it? So we open higher S&P 500, pull back to yesterday's close, drifted higher most of the day, minor profit taking into the close. So what's happening? S&P 500 about 34 points from 7,000 points. So this number should be possible. And Dow is less than 500 points from 50,000 and should be headline. I can see it on the newspaper. Dow is 50,000. And then we still have a momentum. We still have a play until we get 7,000 and until we get 50,000 Dow Jones. And early next week, push higher. S&P will be 7,000 and possibly Dow Jones 50,000. So what's next coming? Nasdaq is 100 short-term breakout. I'll show you Nasdaq chart right now. QQQ, 1 second. Look guys here. The QQQ chart is here. We already see a breakout. Did you see this today breakout? A minor breakout. So what I'm doing, I'm going long from here up to here. And then we have a double top. So technically the breakout has happened. I will go long on Monday and right up to here. I will show you natural gas. Natural gas is touching a major resistance over here. I'll show you the chart very quick. Natural gas. You guys look here, guys. So there's a major support coming over here. Not very far. Remove it. Look here. So the major support is not very far from here, 2.7. This is the long opportunity from here. And you guys see here up to, and if I go for UNG, natural gas. So major resistance coming, and I see a possible long-term investment kind of chart analysis here. And go next here. What's next? So we're talking about next JP Morgan chart. So I showed JP Morgan chart very quick here. If I have here slide, it's easy. Okay, let's talk Netflix. Netflix have earning next week, and price is hovering at $92 or $92. And Netflix have major resistance over here at $82. So my opinions on Netflix. Let me open the chart very quick so you have idea where you can, what are the probabilities, what are the possibilities, so you can, let me show the chart Netflix chart. So guys here, this is a major level. I already made a chart before. This is the buy zone, $86 to $82. If earning is bad, I will not get scared to get entry over here. I already got an entry here at $94 long, because then this trend is broken, and now coming back here, and if we touch $82, it's a very good long entry, guys. Look here, whenever price come over here, 1, 2, price go up to 105, go 131. So here's the catch. People in my, because I'm also teach tradings, I work with many students, and I know I listen many people about tradings. They don't have scare to buy here, no fear at all. They fear to buy here. Now people don't want to buy Netflix. No, it's dangerous, it's scary, it's losing money. Now you remember losing money, but when you are here, you never think about it. So this is the area not to get into the trade, and this is the area to get into the trade. When everyone's saying buying, 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 whom are you selling? When say I'm not buying, it means few buyers, and you get better price. This will be a long-term entry from here, from 1 year. If we see $82, you can have this video, and you can join my Discord channel. Link below on the YouTube. If you want to just only for education purpose, you can join free, because education is supposed to be free, and you can join my, this all slides are in my trading education channel, that's free channel. And so Netflix. Next one is here, TSM. Let me give this. I also have earning next week. TSM, my view on TSM. Let me show you the slide actually. So TSM is on the upper trend, and close to the uptrend, and close to my top parallel channels. From here, I can go maximum 5%, but if I lose, it go to 10%. What I will do nothing. In my opinion, what I'm doing, TSM. So TSM, once price hit my top channel, let me show you here. Once we hit this one here, I just simply short, as we did together in a Discord community. If you remember, on a YouTube community, this is my YouTube channel. If you find AVGO, we did the same thing on AVGO. I'm not sure I can find it here. Oh yeah, AVGO trade of the day, December. Yeah. So AVGO, we short AVGO. When we say buying, AVGO say no. AVGO is not time to buy, it's time to short, and you can see the results. Corona 475, no buying. And okay, this already happened. Let's together for the future. MU, what is happening MU? We'll see in a few weeks, or 1 month, 2 months. Right now it's 244, 255. Western Additions, And then we'll see also one more thing here. So when hit the top channel, possibly pullback is possibly, as you see in the history, it's always happening back at the parallel channel to come back to the retest the support. JP Morgan's, same thing. We have uptrend. Look, whenever price go here, come back, hit here, come back, hit here, come back, hit here, come back, hit here, come back. Now, why you think this time trend will be break? What JP Morgan now eating or have something special that they never have before? This is a trend line. So if something huge news or something they're making the income double or triple, yes, trend can be break. But I never heard anything something similar yet. So I will short JP Morgan here or just take a profit. If you are already in a profit at JP Morgan's, I will take profit personally. It's not financial advice, but you can do whatever you want to do. So this time to short JP Morgan. And then we have US oil, 10 years yield. Let me see, QQQ, we already discussed QQQ. Natural gas discussed already. US oil, yeah, US oil is a breakup. So I'm buying UCO. Now let's talk about the oil companies a little bit. So in my humble opinions, I found these three companies. I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce properly. One is BKR. You guys see here now the movement already. So one of these companies, or maybe all of them, or 2 or 3 or 4 companies, get a deal together, because the project, whatever we have in Venezuela, is not a small project. And in my humble opinion, in my small thinking, I would say one company will not be enough. And US government will not give all the contract to one company. They will give a contract to multiple companies. So these are 3 companies: BKR, SLB, and Hall. So but what we do now? If you are in my Discord channel, I made up strategies, price to entry, price to exit, and risk management, stop loss. So what I can do here, $32 price, I can go from here. Breakout has already happened. You see here in the daily chart, price move up, and I can buy, if you play options, from not 32, I'll buy option of $45 for 1 year. Let me see if I can find some example. This is our swing trade is going on, is very successful. I give you the swing trade on the YouTube community and on my Discord community. So let's talk about Hall, what we can play. I think that's one. So what we do, play options. We go 1 year from here. And I will go December 18. Let's go December 18. And look guys here, December 18, 343 days. And this is my call option price, $32 price. I'll get an option at $45. Why? $32 to $42. If I buy now, I have to pay $500. Or if I want in the money, $650. Why not? I buy at this price, 47, 45, or 42. Once these deals happens, this $10 is nothing. It can move in a 1 day or 1 week. And in 1 year, these companies, they have $1 billion deals. 1 year, where will be the price will be? Hall. We go weekly chart. If we go 39, 42, there is no limit, because move is fast. When we get the deal across this zone, the sky is the limit. And if we end up at 55, 65, or double, and show you SLB, $45. See this price? Price jumped from 40 to 45. Don't need to buy right now, but we can wait. But whole idea is to get a 1 year SLB trade options. If I buy now, let me see, 1 year. December 18 again. So not 45, I'll go 50 or 60, 55. I'm 60, it's okay. $15 move. It can be moved in 1 month. But yes, I can lose $200. Yeah, that is possible. But what I'm risking today, $200, 1 year. If the price becomes a double, and you see the profit. So this way we can play a long-term option when we don't have a clear path, but 1 year US oil telling the chart, let me show you the chart very quick, has a breakout. And if we have a US oil here, I made a separate video on US oil. In my humble opinion, is a long-term investment. Look guys here, $129 is the top. 120, 123. Today's price is $50, $58. And if we come if go even 95 is a double. So we can play. I will going to play with. I make a strategy for these 3 companies, and I BKR, SLB, and HAL, and I'm also buying UCO. I already give a community. I made a video on this one. I made a video and I give you Discord community this stock UCO, and when I bought, I also sent a signal to you guys. I'm buying UCO. Yes. So I sent it yesterday. I bought it, and I'm in a profit right now. And this is, look guys, we have to go long option 7 months, 6 months almost. From here, prices, oil is $22 right now, is ETF, and from the 7 month, I'm expecting price will be double. So I can keep adding my positions and watch. You can have an ETF, you can have oil companies as you like, and you can also play, if you play here, 365 days in US oil. Let me see, 371 days. Okay, let's do this one. And if I get $26 or maybe a 26 or 27 or $30, we have enough time. And I'm listing only $360 here for 1 year, and you can see the results. So this is the way we can also play a long term. If someone not want to risk $500 right now, so we can get a long way, and that's another options. If I go 189 days, I can get $23. I can risking maybe $200, 25. I'm risking 25, $200 right now, and I can play a long term. So if you want to join us, join me. It's a small community, and we provide education for the new. We also give a live session. We also give if you want private coaching, we can give you my pro traders or myself. You can have one-to-one coaching with us, and you can have a session with us directly. You can join us as if you want to only for a swing trades alerts, we can send you swing trade alerts. And then if you want to do a day trading with us, you can also welcome to day trade with us. And if you generate a passive income on the side, as if you whatever you're doing, you doing a bank, you in what kind of job you do, but if you want to generate a passive income on the side, and you can just want to work on Friday and Saturday, we can send you alerts, and then you can put the orders. Order will be filled, and we say, hey, when I go into the trade, I'm just for example, I give you trade for Amazon, right? I give you name it. I can open it here, Amazon. So we have Amazon and already having a profit, I guess. Yes, guys here. So then we have Oklo. We give you community Oklo, buy Oklo. So we have a good profit here. So this swing trades we bought at a $85 call on, right? On this is Oklo for $85 calls. We send, hey, this is a call options, there's a price to buy and limit, and you can see these kinds of informations here on the Discord community. Trading education options. If you play options, if you buy stock, that's easier, then you don't need to worry about anything. Or if you play options, we can also teach you how you play now options. Trade option alerts, and this we can exactly my buying here, one contract, $12 contract, and what's the this is my pro trader. Let me see, like this. This is my I'm buying like this. NUAI, $2.50 call. This is my expiry date. This is my price to buy, and I'm waiting for the orders. When order fill. If not, I go to next stock. So this is the way we can work. And thanks for watching. If you still there, please like and subscribe to the channel, and you can join us and share the video with friends and family. God bless you. Take care and a happy weekend.